Hi everyone, this is blobId. Welcome to another episode of the Walrus Dev series. Today I'm going to be showing you how to adapt to Walrus using a client demo mode and the HTTP API. So just in case you don't have Walrus CLI installed on your PC, don't worry, you can still interact with Walrus using the HTTP API. So today I'm going to be showing you how to interact with it using your CLI. So let me head over to this folder and open my terminal here. So heading back to the documentation, if you would notice, you will see aggregator and publisher. So now, aggregator is something that allows you to read files on Walrus, while publishers allows you to publish a package to Walrus. So if I want to upload something to Walrus, I'll use publishers, and if I want to read from Walrus, I'll use the aggregators. So coming down here to documentation, you would notice for mainnets there are different publishers and these are aggregators. So you notice that there are different aggregators and publishers for Walrus, and also on testnets you see a lot of them. So you could use any of these publishers. They will allow you read and write to Walrus. So let's upload a text to Walrus. So heading over to this store. Okay, before that, let me export this aggregator and publisher to our CLI. So let me write export, then I'll paste that of our aggregator, then I'll copy that of our publisher again, then type in export again, and I'll paste that on the publishers. So before publishing to Walrus, make sure you have curl installed. I think it should be installed by default, but just in case you haven't installed, if you're a Linux user or you're on Ubuntu, you can just do sudo apt get install curl. So I have it installed. So what if you're Windows or Mac? I think it should be installed by default, but if you don't have to install, you can just search Google how to install curl and get it installed. So after that, I'll copy this first command. So I'm going to publishing a string to Walrus. So I'll paste in it. So let me change this string to something like blockchain bad on wall. So let's wait a little I need to be successfully deployed to Walrus. I'll get back our package ID and our blob ID. So now here's it that's been successfully deployed to Walrus, and here's the blob object ID, and here's the blob ID also. So now let's try to read that string that we deployed to Walrus. So now coming back over here at the read, you see this command. So I'll be using the second one because I would want to point it to my terminal. So I will just copy this, then I'll paste it on my terminal, then I'll impute my blob ID. So I'll copy my blob ID from here and impute it here. And if I run the command, we'll see the text I saved to Walrus, which was blockchain bad on wall. So that's how you could save this thing to Walrus. So now coming back over here, let's say you want to upload a file to Walrus. So look at how you can do it. So I could just copy this command here and I'll just paste it. So if I head over to my folder, you will notice it's my PFU over here. So I want to save it to Walrus. I have it as bb.jpg. So I'll copy that here. Make sure you're on your terminal or you're in the same place where your file has been located. So I'll put in I'll be replacing this /file with the name of my file. So it's going to be bb.jpg. So it's going to be saving to Walrus of 5 epoch. I explained that in the last video. And also, if you go over here to the next command, you would see you can send the objects to another address. You could also make it deletable, and there are different ways you can save it. So let's say you want a flag, you want you want to be able to delete this. So I explained deletable in my last tutorial video, so you can run this command also, but for now I'm going to be saving it to Walrus. So coming back to my terminal, I'll run this command. So let's wait a little. Okay, it has been deployed successfully to Walrus. So let me extend my terminal a little bit. So here is the blob object ID. I also have the blob ID of the objects. So coming back here to read again. Let's say I want to read, I want to store or backdash the file I saved to us. I want to bring it, I want to download that bring back to my local PC. I would copy this command, head back to my terminal, paste it. Then first of all, I'll replace this some blob ID with my blob ID. So I'll copy that and head over here to paste it. Then the file name, so I'm going to naming it my pfp.jpg, and if I run that, so our file will be downloaded, and I think that's downloaded. So head back to my folder, you would see this my pfp .jpg. So that's how to interact with Walrus HTTP API using your terminal. And here are the list of aggregators and publishers. So in this video, I used that of Walrus testnet.walrus the space, and you would see a lot of aggregators and publishers over here for Minute and boot testnet. You can try them out just in case one is not working. So thank you very much. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to use that it's HTTP using TypeScript. See you in the next video.